Hey YouTube, how's it going? First of all, thanks for all your support in my previous videos on the leveling for the Ender 5 Plus. It's been great. All the comments have been great. Got some good feedback. I have some new things I've learned about that I'll have coming up. But for this video, I was getting really annoyed with the noise, so I went ahead and ordered the Creality silent board for the Ender 5 Plus. It's really easy to install. There's some glue on the pieces that you just need to take off as you go. It's really not that hard. So on the bottom of the Ender 5 Plus, there are 6 screws that you need to take off. You'll go ahead and take those off. I just laid down my Ender 5 Plus on a pillow on the back side of it so it wouldn't get all messed up. And I just took the screws off and I went piece by piece and just put them back where they were supposed to go to begin with. One thing I'll add, always take a picture of all the wiring before you do anything. Never just start taking wires off, because you'll never know what you did. You might think, oh, I'll remember. You won't remember. Take a picture of it so you have an idea what to do, so when you come back to it and you're like, oh man, where did this wire go? You're like, okay, it went there. It's very helpful. You should do that with everything you do when you do wiring. So again, thank you all for your support. I'll have another couple videos coming up on leveling and a direct drive I printed up and some other things I've done. So again, the noise gets really annoying, so whether you go with the silent board or the 1.4 turbo that people are getting and put some new software on it, you can do that. I chose to just keep this thing as stock as possible right now. I'll probably get another one eventually and do some more modding on it. I don't know, depends if things work out and stuff. So again, thanks for all your support. Hope you liked the video. There's no music or anything, so you can kind of fast forward if you like it, but enjoy.